Good morning, living and loving God's beauty in the Zone 8 garden. Here this morning, just beginning to start spring cleanup. As you can look around and see, there's lots to get done. But I'm starting here because what I've done, I have hosed this garden bench off that was under this tree. So I am going to use it in a different location this year. A lot of times over the various seasons, that's what I do. I just love to use what I have and switch it around and use it in a different area or in a different way. So I've hosed this down, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray paint it black. Repaint it black. I consider it white. And also, if you have not joined this channel, subscribe to this channel, please do so. Please join and help me to grow my YouTube family. If you've watched some of my previous videos, you may notice a gap in between. That's because I am a first grade teacher, and this week I'm out on spring break. So I'm going to try my best to get as many videos out to you guys as possible. And as I become more experienced in creating YouTube videos, I will get them out more often. So please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. So as I wait for this to dry, I'm going to get back with you and let you see the color that I'm using. And please leave a comment. Let me know if you think I should paint it white or black. I love both colors in the garden. So I'll be back. Give me a few minutes rather. And while we were waiting for that bench to dry, I just wanted to share this with you guys. This is a honeysuckle. I can't remember the name. I think it's called General. Maybe if some of you remember, or if you know, you can put it in the comment section. But I just want to share with you all of this growth over the winter season, because if you go back and you look at the slide